Welcome to our annual Transportation Forum. I am Christine Herra, the JFS Transportation Supervisor. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you information about our non-emergency transportation program, also known as our NET program. Portage County JFS is responsible to ensure transportation is available for our community Medicaid beneficiaries to and from any Medicaid covered appointments. This includes Medicaid covered appointments outside of the Portage County area. We utilize gas cards, services from our community partners, and our own JFS drivers to ensure that we are meeting those needs in the most cost-effective way. Net rides can be requested for any non-emergency Medicaid covered services. On this slide, we have listed a few examples, such as doctor appointments and mental health appointments. However, this list is not all inclusive. Portage County is contracted with providers that offer wheelchair accommodations, and Medicaid will also cover the ride of an assistant or caregiver if needed. Net transportation services are available for all individuals receiving full community Medicaid coverage. The only two groups of Medicaid recipients that are not eligible for net transportation services are individuals that are only receiving a Medicare Premium Assistance Program and individuals that are residing in a nursing facility or an intensive care facility. If you would like to apply for Medicaid, you can apply today by calling our shared services line at 1-844-640-4664, or you can apply online at benefits.ohio.gov. We also accept applications in our drop box, which is currently located in our administration building parking lot, by mail or by fax. Applications can also currently be found on the front door of the administration building, which is located at 449 South Meridian Street in Ravenna. The Portage County Net Transportation Plan is contracted to provide transportation in two different ways. We can provide gas cards for individuals that are healthy enough to drive themselves to their appointments or have friends or family that are willing to take them to their appointments. We also provide curb-to-curb vendor services. Gas cards are issued for the Speedway gas station. Amount is based on the mileage and the current gas prices. The trip must cost at least $5, and we ask that the gas card is requested 7 days prior to the appointment. Currently, gas cards are being delivered by the JFS drivers. Currently, our curb-to-curb vendor services are being provided through one of our 3 contracted vendors. We're working with Parda, Emerald, or Scenic View. We also have our own JFS drivers, Mark or Lisa. We ask that all curb-to-curb rides are requested 10 days prior to the appointment in order to ensure availability. However, all requests are welcome, and we do our best to find coverage if there's not 10 days time. We do ask that net riders follow a few simple rules while riding in the vehicles. We ask that riders always wear a safety belt, and any child that is riding in a net vehicle follow the Ohio state laws regarding child safety seats. If there's a change or a delay to a medical appointment after arrival, please notify the driver immediately. If a rider chooses to leave the medical provider location, they forfeit their return ride home. If an appointment is canceled or the rider decides not to attend an appointment, we ask that they notify the net transportation coordinator along with the vendor providing that ride prior to the canceled date. Rider verification sheets must be returned to the agency within 30 days of the provided transportation service. If you are utilizing curb-to-curb service, the vendor or the JFS driver will turn that sheet in for you. If you are utilizing gas cards, you will receive a return envelope to send those verification sheets back into the agency at the end of the month. Portage County Job and Family Services is working hard to keep you safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. The vehicles are cleaned at the beginning of each shift and after each transport. Drivers and passengers are required to wear a mask during the entire transportation. Health questions are reviewed prior to transport in order to lessen the risk of exposure, And of course, we expect both the drivers and the passengers to practice social distancing. If you would like more information about NET transportation services or schedule a NET ride, please call one of our transportation coordinators, Glenna or Jen, at 330-297-3785, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Or you can email us at portage_net@jfs.ohio.gov. Thank you for taking the time to listen today. We will also be sharing information about transportation programs offered by our managed care providers and our community partners all this week.